It's Alex at Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's 2019 and it's SEMA, and we are in the Ford booth, and we're going to take a close-up look at the 2020 Ford Explorer built by Blood Type Racing. We also got a chance to have a quick chat with Sam Lee from Blood Type Racing. All right, we're here in the Ford SEMA booth with Sam from Blood Type Racing and his Explorer build for this year. Sam, tell us a little bit about what was the theme behind the build this year?
The biggest theme that we wanted to stay with was the actual name of the car, the Explorer. So we wanted to take that name and expand it a little bit. So we gave it a little bit of an overland feel to the car. And on top of that, we actually made some custom snowboards for the top of the vehicle. So on the inside, Microsoft actually gave us an Xbox One X. We were able to integrate with the Ford entertainment system for the rear seat. So you can take your family out, go a little bit of off-road, a little bit of snow, whatever you want to do with it, and explore in your new Explorer.
Very cool. What about suspension upgrades on the Explorer this year?
Suspension-wise, we actually ended up leveling the car out. We built a custom leveling kit, so we ended up raising the front end a little bit so that the whole suspension throughout the whole car is very even. So you're not crouching down in the front like a regular sports car would, where the cars comes like that from factory too, I believe, for MPG issues. But with us, we're not really about MPGs right now. We're about going over bumps. And that's
Love it, love it, love it. And tell us a little bit, where can people find out more about Blood Type Racing and all the other cool builds you guys do?
You can actually go to www.bloodtyperacing.com. We actually have a Facebook page, Instagram, wherever you want to go. You'll find us anywhere on social media, YouTube, whatever. This is our 8th build. This is our 3rd build with Ford. So we have previous builds that you can also look into as well, and give us a follow. We do one every year, so you'll see something new from us again next year.
It's great. Thank you, Sam. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
That's all we've got for this short video, but if you want more details on this project, check out Motoroso.com/Ford SEMA 2019, where you can browse all the interactive content and figure out all the bits on this build. And when you're looking for those parts, make sure you shop at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.